Meaning of farmland.
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 Farmland. Farmland refers to agricultural land that is used for the cultivation of crops, including vegetables, grains, fruits, and other agricultural products. This type of land typically requires a significant amount of manual labor, as well as specialized tools and equipment, in order to prepare and maintain the soil for planting and harvesting. Farmlands are often located in rural areas and can vary in size from small family-run plots to large commercial operations. They play a critical role in providing food and other essential resources to communities around the world.